This is verse number 22 from chapter 50, Surah Qaf.
Surah Qaf.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وجاءت كل نفس معها سائق وشهيد. Translation is, and every soul shall come forth, and along with it there will be an angel to drive and an angel to bear witness.
Could you kindly explain to us what is meant by Sayequn wa Shaheed?
Sayequn indicates the unwillingness of the people to move in a certain direction. Or sometimes this word is also indicative of people who are going towards a good destination, but they are being driven from behind to fasten their speed, to accelerate their speed. So this applies both to the evil people and to the good people. The evil people are driven towards hell, and because of that, the driving force is from behind. They are being beaten and prodded to move faster and faster while they do not want to. But at the same time, they will have a witness who will bear witness that they deserved this. And as far as the holy people are concerned, their driving force does not mean that they will be beaten by sticks. It is just like sometimes in the herds in America you see people being driven towards water to which the animals are moving even without being driven. But the noises are made from behind to push them forward and faster. So this scenario appears before one's eyes regarding the good people who are being told from behind, move on, something very special is waiting for you. And for that you should not dilly-dally. Move faster and faster to the good end which is awaiting you. At the same time, they will also have a witness. Bear witness that these people were good. Have you got it?